Unrecognized watch.
Flash flood watch in effect.
Oh my gosh.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood watch for portions of Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania, including the following areas in Ohio: Ashland, Ashtabula Inland, Ashtabula Lakeshore, Crawford, Cuyahoga, Erie, Ohio, Geauga, Hancock, Holmes, Huron, Knox, Lake, Lorraine, Lucas, Mahoning, Marion, Medina, Monroe, Ottawa, Portage, Richland, Sandusky, Seneca, Stark, Summit,
Wow.
Wayne, Wood and Wyandotte. In northwest Pennsylvania, Crawford, Pennsylvania, northern Erie and southern Erie. Through Tuesday evening, a widespread 1 to 2 inches fell across the forecast area this evening. More rain is expected overnight, with another round of thunderstorms expected Tuesday afternoon and evening. With the ground being saturated, any additional heavy rain could cause quick runoff. Low-lying and poor-graded areas might flood. If you live near Bay Creek or small stream, be alert for quickly rising water levels. A flash flood watch means the threat of flash flooding exists along rivers and creeks. If you are in the wash area, you should monitor weather conditions closely. Be ready to move to higher ground if flooding is observed or a warning is issued. Stay tuned to Weather Radio for further updates.
Wow. This is an unrecognized warning
For the following counties,
on the 12-991.
the National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood
That's
warning
weird.
for Holmes County until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday.
And the flash flood watch.
4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service on the radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall have produced almost 2 inches of rain over Holmes County, and additional rain is expected
Flash flood
overnight.
watch.
Locations impacted include Flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. Residents living along streams and creeks